Jared with IPD here to talk to you today about splash pans. Volvo started using these splash pans about the year 2000 in all of their models to help guide air under the engine and transmission. They also have a secondary function, which is to keep dirt and debris out from your engine and transmission and protect them. The issue that we found with these though is Volvo uses a quite rigid, hard plastic that even under small items hitting it, like rocks, ice, a tree branch, something like that, they have a tendency to crack and shatter, which then thus kind of defeats the purpose of having it there. We address this with our heavy-duty splash pans. You'll notice with these they're actually quite flexible. They're designed to actually bend and deflect that, so if anything comes in contact with it, it doesn't just crack and break and then you're just without protection under the car. We have these for a number of Volvo models. If you have questions on them, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-444-6473.